Okay, after 1 hour, yeah? How will you walk, no? Okay, last one, no? Last one, yeah. Okay, no?
Parang pag sa may midfoot, pag sa bola lang ako, okay lang. Pero
Yeah.
pag pinaplant ko yung heel,
Yeah. Okay na kasi,
Yan talaga.
nag-inflame, sobrang inflame yun eh. So, Noy, medyo ni-improve, ha? I think after 1 hour, yeah?
yes.
So after
Hiking
1 hour
the best.
treatment, yeah. And then I have a I have a patient nag-train ko this is
Okay.
stroke, yeah, right stroke.
Okay.
Her name is Juan Lumapay, yeah.
Okay.
And then can you give her advice na para to promote, to motivate her, no? Na gitrain na ko ron siya for running, no? Stroke, half body paralyzed, right stroke, and then right stroke no, totally paralyzed, no? But recover siya no, faster kaya 1 month and 25 days. He can walk, she can walk na without assist, no? Karon no, among training no is about for running. And then ang iyahang time no 1 kilometer is about 40 minutes. Karon is about makuha na niya 20 minutes.
Wow.
Niya can you support something?
Joanne, yeah. Well,
Joanne Lumapay her name no.
Well, yun. How old is she?
37 years old no.
Oh, so young pa. At least, you know, you're in good hands with Hearty. Just trust in the program. Tsaka, whenever you're in doubt or anything, just think about how far you've gone. Diba? Dati nga, sabi niya, 40 minutes ngayon, 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Mamaya konti, 4 minutes per K na yan.
Yeah.
Small steps.
We run 3K no we run 3K kay wa pa may stroke kid nakadagan na no without walk without walk no from starting to finish line without walk no and then
Congrats.
to promote good health no
Yeah, well, Joanne, just hang in there and don't give up. You'll get back to your full mobility and maybe even much better than before. Siyempre with renewed appreciation of your health and basta good luck. Andito kami.
okay thank you okay
You're in good hands.